In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use ClickUp in conjunction with Google. This nifty combination will help you manage your tasks more efficiently, a skill everyone could benefit from. Let's dive in. First, let's kick things off with a quick Google search for ClickUp. Simply open your browser and head over to your trusted search engine. Type in ClickUp in the search bar and hit enter. What we're doing here is finding the official ClickUp website, essentially our command center for task management. It should appear right at the top of your search results. Click on it, and this will bring you to the official ClickUp homepage. Once you're on the ClickUp page, you'll want to find the login button. This can usually be found at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on Login is your gateway to accessing all your existing tasks and projects that you may have been managing with ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, make sure you've got your credentials ready, the email and the password associated with your ClickUp account. Now that you're logged in, you should see your workspace. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a variety of tasks and projects you have set up. For this tutorial, we'll need to focus on choosing a specific task you want to modify. Simply browse through your list or use the search function to pinpoint the exact task you wish to address. After selecting the appropriate task, let's say you decide it's time to part ways with it. You'd need to find the option to delete it. This is how you keep your workspace clutter-free and manageable. Locate the delete or trash bin icon, which should be readily accessible once you've selected a specific task. Click it, and this action will allow you to remove the task from your list responsibly. Now, accidents happen to the best of us. If you find that you've deleted something by mistake, or perhaps you've had a change of heart, don't worry. ClickUp gives you a safety net. Look towards the bottom left of your screen, and you'll see an option to undo your last action. Clicking this will retrieve your task, and you can continue working on it without missing a beat. And that wraps up our guide on efficiently using Google with ClickUp. By following these steps, you can keep your projects organized and ensure every task is accounted for. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with task management, these tips can make a significant difference in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.